Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a review of the Merci Chocolate Hazelnut Almond. So merci, thank you in French. Merci beaucoup, thank you very much. So this in 2 pieces or 50 grams is 280 calories, 18 grams of fat, 26 grams of carbohydrate with 2 fiber and 23 sugar, and 5 grams of protein. So they come in nice little individually wrapped pieces here. Hazelnut, almond, really good. So the chocolate looks like. It says Merci on it. It's got the hazelnut almond in the back. I'm gonna get right into it. Real good. Chocolate's nice and sweet. You can definitely taste the hazelnut in it, giving it that like coffee taste almost. It's yummy. It's 140 calories in this little piece here. And that's 13 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, and 2.5 grams of protein. Not too bad for a little 4 pieces that can be broken up, and you can have it whenever you want. These are kind of big pieces, so it's nice. 4 individual milk chocolate bars. Merci by Stork. Stork. S-T-O-R-C-K. So this is actually a pretty good chocolate. It's very sweet, has a hazelnut flavor to it, and it's a very smooth chocolate. I like it. So I would give the Merci chocolate an 8.5 out of 10. It's very sweet, but not too sweet. It's got a nice hazelnut flavor and almonds in it. I like that combination. Works together really well. And this stuff tastes very good. So go check it out. Merci chocolate, holiday time chocolate, and it's really good. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.